guys, ladies. Siapa yang ada business tak? Najwa?
No, doctor, I don't have any business.
Okay, so anyone? Usually ladies ataupun sister, brothers, maybe you have online business selling apa? Kalau sisters ni selling tudung, baju, jadi dropship. Dropship also is business, itu pun dua. Okay, so anyone have experience?
What experience, doctor? Online experience.
Yes, business.
I have cookies. I have cookies, online
okay.
cookies.
Okay, can you share with us how you start the business?
Because this is my family business actually. Since I'm not sure, since 1937 I think. So I'm the person who start to commercialize the cookies now, but we only started this year through online. And then the market is quite good lah because MCO, right? So I think that online business is more marketable than physical. Maybe.
Because it's on time demand, isn't it?
And then it's easy because we keep on updating and advertise and give the feedback from customers.
Okay, that's good. So any problem ke obstacles for you to market your product so far?
Yes. Yes.
Apa dia? Boleh share?
The obstacle because we operate only 2%. We have only 2 people for the operation, and then we need to, because sometimes the demand is quite high, and then because of the energy, right? So only 2% make the cookies, and then because the demand not only from KL and Selangor, but also from outside, such as in Johor, Kedah, Kelantan. So it's quite difficult for us because we need to have resources such as boxes, bubble wrap, and then have issues on deliveries via Pos Laju also. So many lah.
Okay, so maybe you have to add human resource.
Yes,
tambah lagi.
Yes, and also the resources such as because MCO, so many people do baking, and then we have scarce of resources lah, flour, sugar, milk, something like that.
Okay, maybe internal resources lah, internal human resources. Secara kan. That's good. Thank you for your sharing. So anyone else yang ada business? Tak ada. Tu ada IG. Try share your IG. Maybe you can get customer here.
My IG is, I think, wait I forgot lah. My IG is Golden Chips. I will text here where I can text. Okay, my IG G0.
Okay. So you can share later, okay, in the box. Golden Chips. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now let's proceed with the business canvas. So business canvas macam satu poster. Okay, so for your group nanti next week and next 2 weeks presentation, you just present this one poster that presents all the important segment in the business. Okay, and then Okay, before that, can you share, can you see my screen? Nampak tak?
Yes, Doktor, nampak.
Okay, good. Okay, is it big enough to read?
So far so good.
Okay. Okay, so this business canvas, dia punya template ni, if we can say, dia punya column tu, it's a different shape of columns. There is a purpose why it is set up like this. Like say customer segment is big column for customer segments, and customer relationship small columns with channels, and then key activities small, key resources small, revenue streams big, cost structure big, key partners big. Why? Because of later on from the idea, if you want to write your business here, we need to say the big column you need to write more here. Like say customer segment, you need to write more segments of the customer. Okay, uh, if you can fill up all the boxes with the customer segment is better. Like say customer segment like cookies, our sister selling cookies, customer segment adults, kids, what else? Apa nama lagi? Government, kalau nak target kan, government sector, private sector, more segment of customer, that's better for your business to grow. Okay, put more. If the column is big, put more. Customer segment, but if you just because of column is big, but only you target only one segment, so you can't cater bigger market. Okay, so customer segment must be bigger lah, more than 2, more than 3. If you can list down later on, your segments here is better. If adult, okay, what types of adults working kat mana, is it dekat KL, the segment here. And then okay, first kita tengok yang besar-besar dulu. So value proposition, value must banyak. Value, what's the value of your chips or biscuit, for example, your cookies? Okay, apa nama dia, chocolate more, and then healthy cookies, using apa nama dia, good quality of butter. What's the value? Okay, and then so the value must be more. And then key partners, you have to have a partner here. You cannot just do a business alone. You must create a partners, dropships, partners with government agency, for example, partner with schools, you partners with teachers associations, because you want to distribute your partners to teachers segment. Teacher here kat university. So partner dia university, persatuan apa, and then partner with kalau macam tekun nasional ataupun kalau produk pertanian, you partner with Kementerian Pertanian, Jabatan Pertanian. So all the partners, what are the importance of partners here? This partner here will give you support. Support in terms of marketing, support in terms of moral support in terms of training, for example. Okay, there are many agencies that provide a training to the business, small business especially, kan? So please list down, okay, as much as partners that you can identify related to your business. Okay, partners here is not a business partner, but the third party agency that can support your business. Yeah. And then cost structure, apa? List down, detail out all the costs that involve. Materials, cost apa? The human resource cost, cost of land, cost of buildings, rental cost, cost apa? Cost nak set up company. So many costs, the more detail that you put here, that's better. Okay. And then revenue. So revenue detail out. What is it? Revenue you can come up with only selling direct revenue? What are the other additional revenue that you can have? Revenue like advertisement, kan? Advertisement pun revenue juga kan? Like we have a blog, we have IG, then the third party put their advertisement at our page, they will pay us. That is one type of revenue that the business can have. So detail out all the possible revenue, like a commission from apa benda, okay, revenue to the business. Okay, so after that we look at all the small area here, customer relationship. So how to build a relationship with the customer? Maybe you give apa namanya, discount for second times buyer, or discount for the ada membership. Ada membership kan, so sekali beli tik satu, so dah 10 kali dapat free one, for example. Okay, so how you build relationship with the customer? Give during apa nama dia, birthday. So macam-macam, there are many approach, there are many tricks or approach by the business to build customer relationship. To have maybe loyalty card, for example, ada discounts, ada mata, apa nama dia, ada points. Okay, sekejap, wait. I receive one. Okay. Okay, channels. Channels. How to market? Not only marketing channels, but other types of channels. Financing channels. Okay, channels. The third party that can support your business. Okay, marketing. So channels ni dia lebih kurang macam partners, tapi partners ni lagi more support being given. Channels ni more on how you going to channel your business, like online channels using ada kan key activities, key resources, channels lah. So online channels, online offline channels. Offline apa dia yang boleh market your products. Okay, the mediums that you can use, like Shopee, Lazada, all the channels. That one is a distribution ke marketing channel or sales channels. Okay, FB advertisement. Okay, apa lagi, using apa nama dia, Grab kan, Grab food ke. Okay, key activities that involve like cookies. Key activities is baking cookies. Lagi apa nama dia, wrapping. What are the key activities? Key activities is the main business productions of the business lah, of the products. If your business is service, so key activities is like a spa lah kan, like massage ataupun buat apa nama muka tu, spa activities. Key activities is the business activities. Okay, kalau buat kilang laptop, productions of laptop, so narrow down. Okay, so no need to have so many activities here. Okay, the columns, the big columns that more concentration should be done here. Sebab kalau lagi banyak key activities, lagi banyak cost. So activities, make it a special, make it a narrow activities and very clear activities. So tak banyak variety on the activities. That's better. Kalau tak lagi pening business. Nah, like say kalau someone want to open a restaurant, okay, dia punya activities memanglah apa nama dia, service to the customer, cooking, delivery food to the customer. But if the CEO, the owner want to have a boutique cafe, so dia punya activities pun dah ada lain pula kan. So nak jual baju at the same time. So restaurant, cafe and then buat boutique. So different business, so need to have different cost, need to have a different apa nama dia, human sources, lagi payah. That's hard. So sebab tu kita nampak macam kalau butik cafe tu tak banyak yang sukses. Yang sukses tu is very straightforward, is very concentrated business. Kalau buat cafe is buat cafe, the activities is cooking, servicing the customer. Tak payahlah nak tiba-tiba restoran tiba-tiba nak jahit baju kan, macam-macam nak cari supplier baju lagi, bila dah baju ada tudung lagi, so macam mana nak masak ke nak baju ke, so nak cari pekerja yang tukang buat baju dan tukang masak, so and then dia punya revenues need to be separated, so it's very hard, isn't it? Okay. And then key resources, apa resources yang ada? Human resources, ada financial resources, and then ada resources like buildings, equipments, so all the resources. Okay, the resources tak perlu banyak-banyak, relate to the activities. Siapa yang akan run the business activities here? Okay, so is it clear this business canvas? Okay tak? So agak-agak boleh tak buat?
InsyaAllah boleh.
Okay. So you in a group, I want you to select one product only and then try to discuss this business canvas and fill in the blank, fill in the column in the business canvas. Okay. Just present for me one page of business canvas for the next 2 weeks. Okay.
Alright. Okay.
So I stop sharing. So that's basically the business the entrepreneurs need to have lah. Macam sekecil-kecil knowledge that they have, then they need to have this plan, the business canvas. Okay. So kalau nak buka business, kalau nak easy, you fill in the business canvas. Okay, apa value the product dia, okay, yang that going to be offered to the market. Okay, so any questions so far? Okay, are you clear with all everything that we discussed today? We discussed last part of chapter 1, we discussed chapter 2, and we also discussed the business canvas. Okay. So next time, kalau nak buka business, buat business canvas tu. Clear dah. Okay. Baru nak clearkan idea kan. Ni baru fikir-fikir ni. So it help us to detail out what are the business, what are the value, how we are going to set up the business. Okay. So if there is no, I think now is 4:30, just 1 hour and a half. That's enough, I think, for today. Okay. We'll supply you additional information, or maybe I will make for chapter 3, maybe I will prepare a video for you to watch. Okay. So I think that's all. That's all for today. Is it enough?
Yeah, I think it's enough. If anything problem boleh tanya kat WhatsApp.
Kalau ada apa-apa masalah boleh tanya dekat WhatsApp. Okay. So that's all from me. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And okay, goodbye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay.